Today is the Recreation 6K Tablescape celebration for At Home with Lisa. The hosts are At Home with Lisa and the Grace Life Home Decor. Their co-hosts are Lona's Decor. I am Shakita D, Annalise Cupboard, Jennifer at Home, this is Ari, Deborah Kabaska Home Living, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Debbie Bubbles, Styling with Gigi Fajan, Design with Emma, myself, and Pure Elegance by Kim. So come along with me as we celebrate At Home with Lisa. Today is the 6K celebration for At Home with Lisa. And this collaboration, what we are supposed to do is take a tablescape that Lisa has done in the past and try to recreate it. Now, Lisa did want us to do something a little different, add something of our own to it. Well, Lisa, what I'm doing is your black and white tablescape from 1 year ago. So I hope I did you proud. We love you. Congratulations, Lisa. You deserve every one of your subscribers. So come along and let me show you what I've come up with. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this tablescape. On the black and white tablescape, Lisa did have a runner. It was a black and white stripe. I did not have the black and white stripe, so what I've done, I've taken a black runner and a white runner, and I twisted them together to make the black and white. So I ran it all the way down my table, and she had used black roses. Now remember, she did want us to do something a little different. So what I've done, Lisa, I went in and I used the black and the white roses to add to my garland. Your centerpiece, you did have the black and white roses, but yours was, I think they were like a two-tone. What I've done is use one set of white roses and another bunch of black roses, and I added the greenery to it for my centerpiece. You had a white vase, which I've added, and you had a beautiful marble plate. I did not have that, but I did have this plate that I picked up from the Goodwill, so I put that here under the vase. I've added the black beads like you had, and an additional, I added the two white flower bows. So, let me tell you about the place settings. For the place setting, you did have the black charger plate, and that's what I've used, is a black charger plate. I used the white basket weave dinner plate, and for this one, I used the little salad plate and the black bowl. This is a very budget-friendly tablescape. The charger plates were from Hobby Lobby. The dinner plate was from Goodwill. The salad plate was from Goodwill. And the bowl was from the Dollar Tree. Now, you did a little trick with the fork, knife, and spoon. I did the best I could with it. I couldn't get them to stay, of course, like you had them to stay, but I did try. So on this side, I'll go and show you what I have for this place setting. I did mix them up a little. I have the white basket weave dinner plate and the salad plate. And then I've added the black bowl, and also there is the silverware. For my glasses, I did use the black and white goblets, and I think you had the clear ones, okay? The candle holders, I used the black ones with the white candles. On the buffet here, I tried to bring that black and white back in. I added 2 vases with the black roses in each, and the center one, I did keep the white flower and added the black beads. Well, that is it, Lisa. Again, I say congratulations on your 6K. You truly, truly deserve every one of them, and we are so proud of you. And I hope you like the tablescape that I've done here in your honor. I want to thank At Home with Lisa and the Grace Life DIY for inviting me to be a part of this great celebration. What I'm gonna do is light the candles, and I'll come back and show you. The candles are now lit for you, my beautiful friend. And again, we say congratulations on your 6K. You truly deserve every one of them. And we say keep going up. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this 6K celebration for Lisa, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video.